Hello everybody, my name is Jaedin. Take a look at these guys, it's almost Halloween. Join me with my Spooktacular adventure.
I'm looking for a new place to live. Any suggestions? You don't have any room at your place. I don't take up a lot of space.
Happy Halloween.
Greetings. We've been expecting you.
Trick or treat.
Please don't make it down. I'm late for a party and I'm the ghost of honor.
Hello everybody, this is my spooky bat friend. It's almost Halloween, I'm so excited.
Oh, gotcha.
Guys. Oh, spiders on me!
I always wanted to be a brave knight when I grew up. Looking back, maybe I should have been a firefighter instead. I'm watching you.
Hey, over here. Put me out of this cage. That would be a real trick or treat.
Ooh, Halloween is fun, but it gives me the heebie-jeebies. Please don't let these spooky characters spoil your fun. Happy Halloween! See you on my next adventure. I'm sending some scary sweet love to you.